Good morning, everyone. I, Shifali, from Dips Bloomingdale's. Today, we will start our Unit 7, that is Virtues and Values. What is the meaning of virtues and values? Virtue means properties, gun, and the values means your moral ethics. Let's start reading the chapter. We have all heard stories with animals as their main characters. We have read many stories in which animals are the main characters. The animals in these stories have fixed natures and virtues that are similar to human nature. In these stories, the animals act and behave like a human. They normally talk as human talk. They think. These are the stories in which animals are the main characters. For example, an ant is always shown as hardworking. These are called stereotypes. The stories in which we always say, if we are talking about the ant, that means it will be always hardworking. And these type of stories are known as stereotypes. Let's start our chapter. In scene number 1, Brahman is walking through a trail in the forest. Suddenly he hears a strange noise. In first scene what we can see, the Brahman is walking through the direction. Suddenly he heard a strange noise. Brahman picking up his dhoti, ready to run. Oh dear, what's that? As he was scared after hearing that strange noise, what he did? He picked up his dhoti and he was almost ready to run as he was scared. What he said? Oh dear, what's that? That what have he heard? He hears the noises again. उसको जो नॉइज थी वो दोबारा से आ रही थी. ब्राह्मण इट साउंड्स लाइक सम पुअर एनिमल इज हर्ट. आवाज़ सुनकर उसने क्या महसूस किया कि किसी बेचारे एनिमल को चोट लगी है. आई शुड चेक इट आउट. मुझे देखना चाहिए. ही हेड्स टूवर्ड्स द नॉइस and sees a tiger trapped inside a cage screaming for help. तो जिधर से आवाज़ आ रही थी वो उस तरफ गया और उसने वहाँ क्या देखा कि जो टाइगर है वो एक केज के अंदर बंद है. उसे किसी ने बंद किया हुआ है और वो मदद के लिए पुकार रहा है. टाइगर प्लीडिंग. ही वॉज प्लीडिंग, रिक्वेस्टिंग हिम. वॉट ही सेड? ओ काइंड सर, मोस्ट पायस ऑफ men, God had sent you for a divine purpose indeed. Will you help out a poor animal in need and free him from his atrocious enclosure? What he said, he requested, he tried to admire the Brahman. What he said, most pious of men. Pious means pure, like God. गॉड हैज़ सेंट यू फॉर अ डिवाइन पर्पस इन नीड, कि आपको किसी मकसद के लिए ही भगवान ने यहाँ भेजा है. डिवाइन मीन्स दैट इज कनेक्टेड टू गॉड और दैट इज रिलीजियस. सो विल यू हेल्प मी एज आई एम अ पुअर एनिमल who is in need and who wants to get free from that atrocious enclosure. What does it means? Very painful, shocking wall or fence that is around him. Brahman scratching his chin. Scratching his chin means he was thinking. What he said? Astrocot in Dodger, कि उसको समझ ही नहीं आया कि टाइगर ने क्या बोला था. What do you mean? I don't understand your beastie language. Beastie language means the language that the animal uses. Speak English, कि तुम मुझे इंग्लिश में बताओ, तुम्हारी जो जानवरों की भाषा है वो मुझे समझ नहीं आई. What did Tiger say? I beg you forgiveness, Your Holiness, since you looked like a knowledgeable and scholarly kind of man. I was just trying to speak your language. I might have made a mistake. तो उसने आगे से क्या बोला कि मैं आपसे क्षमा चाहता हूँ क्योंकि आप देखने में बहुत ही ज़्यादा नॉलेजेबल और पढ़े लिखे इंसान लगते हो, तो मैंने कोशिश की कि मैं तुम्हारी लैंग्वेज बोलूं, लेकिन शायद मैंने गलती कर दी। ये बात सुनकर ब्राह्मण को गुस्सा आ गया, तो व्हाट ही सेड, व्हाट डू यू मीन आई लुक लाइक अ स्कॉलर, कि मैं एक स्कॉलर की तरह या जो बहुत बुद्धिमान है वैसा लगता हूँ। आई एम अ स्कॉलर, मैं लगता नहीं हूँ, मैं हूँ स्कॉलर। माई नॉलेज कांट बी मेजर्ड, कि मेरी जो नॉलेज है उसको मापा नहीं जा सकता। आई विल लेट यू नो देयर इज नो स्कॉलर इन माई विलेज हु कैन हेल्ड अ कैंडल टू मी, कि मेरे विलेज में कोई भी ऐसा स्कॉलर नहीं है जो मेरा मुकाबला कर सके। दिस वॉज द फर्स्ट सीन. Next, we will read tomorrow and we'll check out what happened in the story. I hope till now the story is clear to you all. We'll continue it tomorrow. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.